Hi folks, it's Ron. If you've invested in an ideal S-Class fiberglass fish tape and need to recrimp a new eyelet or leader on, I'll show you how to do that in this video. You will need to order Ideal's 31-156 Field Application Repair Kit. It includes a Crimp Master crimping tool, adhesive, and the eyelets or leaders needed to make the repair. Additional eyelets and leaders can be ordered separately for any future repairs. Step 1 is to prepare the broken end of the S-Class fiberglass tape for a new eyelet or leader. Using a wire stripper, like our 45-120T stripper, cut off the damaged end of the fish tape. Then, using the number 10 gauge stripping hole, carefully strip off the outer yellow nylon jacket, exposing the inner fiberglass core. For a new eyelet, remove 3/8 of an inch of the yellow nylon jacket, and for a new leader, remove 5/16 of an inch. Caution should be taken to avoid nicking or scraping the fiberglass core. Any damage will weaken the eye to tape connection. If damage occurs, just repeat the cut and strip. Step 2, apply instant adhesive to the stripped fiberglass core. Be careful not to get the glue on your hands, as it can be hard to remove. Then insert the fiberglass end into the eyelet or leader and make sure the fish tape bottoms out in the new eyelet or leader. When using the eyelet, the fiberglass end will extend completely through the hole in the eyelet. Step 3, crimp the new eyelet or leader using the crimping tool. Using the crimp nest closest to the tool's pivot point, you will notice the crimp nest has an alignment pin that will line up with the two holes in the middle of the eyelet or leader. 2 crimps will be made. Simply line up the first hole in the eyelet or leader with the alignment pin and fully crimp using the ratcheting crimp tool. Then rotate the eyelet or leader and crimp the second hole. Step 4, crimp the eyelet or leader to the yellow nylon jacket using the crimp nest closest to the end of the crimp tool. Locate the shoulder of the eyelet or leader against the shoulder of the die nest, then crimp the eyelet or leader with the tool. 4 crimps are to be made on the smaller diameter end of the eyelet or leader, 90 degrees apart. Your eyelet or leader is now permanently attached to the end of the S-Class fiberglass fish tape. It can be used immediately on light pulls, and for heavy pulls, allow the adhesive to cure for 24 hours. Hey, thanks for watching, folks. I'm Ron with Ideal.